You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another Valentine's Day makeup look inspired, but this one is a little bit more Instagram-ish, editorial, you know. I already posted a more simple look, so this will be my second one, and honestly I don't think I have more time to film another one. Sorry for that. I'm going to start working. I mean, by the time you'll see this video I already started work, and I mentioned my work schedule in all of my videos. I work in 3 shifts and basically I don't have time for nothing, so I'm sorry, that's that. And to achieve this makeup look I used the Carli Bybel and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is such a cute eyeshadow palette, and it was my first time using it today. I got this a few days ago and I really like it. So this is more like a first impressions kinda, but not really, because I don't explain how the eyeshadows blend, but I really like all the colors. I haven't had any issues with any of the colors I used today. I love Carli, so basically whatever she puts out there I will go and buy it if I can, obviously. I haven't bought the Il Makiage collection because they don't have it at Sephora Spain, so that's that. Maybe in the future, who knows. But this is so pretty, so pink, so Carli, so beautiful. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate. When I say I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh. talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? 'Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate. When I say I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, yeah, love, yeah, hate, yeah. I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and please let me know what do you think about the Carli Bybel and Anastasia palette. It's so pretty, so girly, so feminine, and all these colors are so cute. So let me know down below if you have the palette, if you like it, if you plan to buy it. Just let me know down below. And also I used three new products in today's video. I grabbed that mini Tarte set, and I thought this blush was shimmery, but thanks God it's not shimmery. This is in the shade Harmony. It's so pretty. It doesn't look that pretty in the packaging, I don't know, but on the face it looks different than it looks on the packaging, or maybe it's just me, but wow, it's so pretty. I haven't tried Tarte blushes or bronzers before, and this is the bronzer. This is in the shade Park Eve Princess. This is so beautiful. I thought it was a little bit too light for my skin tone, but no, this is so pretty. And again, I grabbed another shade of the Tarte Shape Tape because the one that I have is in the shade light and is way too white for me. This is in light medium. So that's that. Okay, so let me know down below, what do you think about this makeup look? I feel like it's so girly, so pretty, so pink. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one.